So, hello friends, my name is Krishna, and today we are going to see important questions in 8th class biology. I think it is helpful to all 8th class students. Today we are going to see 4th lesson, okay? 4th lesson in biology. We know that 4th lesson in biology is reproduction in animals. Reproduction in animals, reproduction in animals. Okay, let's learn what are the important questions in this fourth lesson, reproduction in animals. So let's start. So in fourth lesson, reproduction in animals, RIA, fourth lesson. Okay, open page number 84. This is the first page which you have to learn. First question. In that first question, learn first question. In that first question also, there are A, B, C, D. They give 4 questions in one question only. Okay, you have to learn that 4. These are very important questions. Next, open page number 99. Okay, open page number 99 and you will see some important and 1 mark questions. Easy, important 1 mark questions. In that 1 mark question, you have to learn first question, second question, third question, and also fourth question, which is in that total page. Okay, and turn that page, 100th page, and you will see what is meant by cloning, and who invented this. Okay, you will see that question. You have to learn that question also. Okay, you turn that page and you can see, write a note on test tube babies. Test tube babies. You can see that you have to learn that question. Okay, open page number 102. Open page number 102. You can see, draw a neat labeled diagram of a human sperm. Fill the following table. You can see a human sperm and they give also a table. You have to fill the what are the functions of that head, neck, middle piece, mitochondria, tail, etc. Okay, you have to learn that question. It is very very important. And if you want, and open page number 105, you will see 1 mark questions. These are additional questions which I am giving. 1 mark question. In that 1 mark question, they will not give you any questions, any answers. Okay, they will not give you any answers to see. You have to watch the lesson in YouTube, and you have to learn these all questions which I told till now. And with that knowledge, you have to answer these questions. There are 10 1 mark questions. If you want to learn some other, there are 2 mark questions also. There are 5, so it is also you can learn it. If you want some more knowledge, open page number 101. This page, which you can learn test tube babies. In that question, you can see a table, a puzzle. You can fill that puzzle. Under the given the answers, you can hold a book on that answers, and you can fill the table with your knowledge which you learn that questions. You learn from questions. If you complete the table, you can answer any question easily. Okay, in okay, fourth lesson, page number 84, first question, page number 99, 1 2 3 4 questions, page number 100, second question, page number 101, second question, page number 102, fourth question, page number 105, 1 mark questions all. If you want to learn, okay, if you want to learn additional questions, you can open page number 101 and see it. You can see a puzzle. Under they give answers, you can hold answers with your hand, and another hand you can answer your questions. Okay, if you complete the table, and you can check your answers down only. If you are correct in all answers, you will get better knowledge in this lesson. And open page number 98. There you can see a male flower and a female flower and their parts. Male flower and female flower. You can see their parts also. You have to learn that question. And open page number 97. Page number 97. And you can see activity 2. You can see the binary fusion of amoeba. Binary fusion of amoeba. Okay, you can learn that question also. You will get better understand about binary fusion and budding. Okay, let's meet in another class with another lesson important questions. Until then, bye bye.